everyone, I hope you're well. Today's video is a little different, but I thought I would film it because it's a really cute weekend that we've got planned. So we're going to the family lake house, which is in a really remote forest. We are going mushroom picking, we are going to check on the bees, and it will be an all around really cute weekend. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and I will see you soon. So we have just arrived at the lake house and we're just checking on all the bees. So my father-in-law has 2, 4, 6 houses here, and he said that they're currently full at the moment. I don't think that often happens, but the honey that we normally get from these bees, everyone loves it. Just because we're obviously in the forest. The honey is different. It's more of like a smoky like honey rather than the kind of honey you'd get like in a shop, and it's just amazing to be in nature. I love it so much. There's like no one around us. Like we're about to go into the forest and do some mushroom picking and check on some bees at another location. It's 4 p.m. here and the mosquitoes are out, and I forgot my mosquito repellent, so wish me luck. So this is an oak tree, and apparently this is some kind of disease, which I never knew. I kind of think could happen. Interesting. Is this a case of all the gear, no idea? That's a pretty sight. It's 6:30. The sun is setting. And my husband and his mum are mushroom picking.
Yeah, said what?
We're back when we started. Swap?
Well, we're going around in circles.
Just teach me, do I just pull it?
You just pull it, yes.
Well, why am I going in circles?
Because you're pulling with one side. Turn a bit more.
Maybe I can do it. Oh yeah, got the hang of it now.
Do you? Because we're still shifting.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's the current. So I didn't actually sleep that well last night. I could hear buzzing, and I think, you know, when you're half asleep, things just appear worse than they are. I think in my head, I thought there were mosquitoes, and then this morning when I spoke to my family and said, like, they asked if I slept well, and I said no, because I was just up for hours, just not able to sleep because I could hear the fear of being bitten by mosquitoes. They then told me that would have been the bees. That was annoying, but yeah, we're just about to go into the forest and check on the trees, just check the age of them and see which ones can be chopped, and just see how they're doing, just kind of like do like a maintenance on them. And we've got someone with us because he's got like the tools. Just appreciating the last piece of quiet. Strawberry, come here. Come, Strawberry. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're such a good girl. Should we run back? Strawberry. Oh, good girl. We'll bring you more apple tomorrow. bring you more apple. Bye. See you, girl. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. This is the end of it now, just because we're back from the lake house, and what I wanted to show you, we kind of like did all in like 2 days, so I think it was like a really good documentation of the things that I love to do when I come out and see my family, because it isn't my normal day. It is actually nothing like my normal day. Like I have said, I live in a flat, so I don't have the luxury of having a garden even, so this kind of thing, and being in the middle of the forest with a lake, and like, you know, just being out with nature is like my favorite thing. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I will spend the next 5 days, which is the last part of our holiday, just staying in the garden, you know, being with the family, like just doing all the amazing things I love to do. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.